Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Canva AI Image Generator, step by step in just 1 minute. So let's start. On the Canva homepage at the top right of the screen, next to your profile picture, click Create a Design. When a new page opens, click on the Instagram post option in the drop-down menu. And then on the new page in the left part of your screen, in Tools, click on the Apps option. Then, in the drop-down menu, scroll down to Popular Canva Apps and click on the Magic Media option. When the option opens before searching for an image, select the styles in which you want to present the image. And after that, go to the field where you will insert the text you want. In my case, it will be a cat with ice cream. And that's it. You can choose any of the offered images and continue creating. If you liked the video, like it and share it with your friends who want to try this option in the same way. And follow us for more videos like this. See you in another video.